At KnowWP, we love WordPress. WordPress is web software you can use to create a beautiful website or blog. And when you're ready for more, there are thousands of plugins and themes available to transform your site into almost anything you can imagine. Over 60 million people have chosen WordPress to power the place on the web they call home. So you're in good company. But we know, like most people, you could probably use some help to make your site the very best it can be. So join us and let us help guide you through every aspect of using WordPress to the max. If you want to drive hundreds, even thousands of visitors to your business, we show you how. We cover the basics, everything from fast and pain-free installation and super cool customizations, adding great plugins to make your site interactive and engaging. And there's much more. We also have tutorials on integrating social media, simple ways to prevent spam comments, and to protect your privacy. At KnowWP, we have everything you need to get started today and make that first impression count. Join us now and get instant access to all of our videos, 6 complete modules, the basics and the advanced. And you can watch anytime online or via your mobile device, ready for you anytime you need them. With no monthly fees, regular updates, member bonuses, and super cool special offers. KnowWP is the place for everything WordPress. Scroll down now and get started today.